When it comes to exercise, participation, and sports achievements, men and women are on equal footing. But in sports and medicine research, there are new concerns that women are significantly underrepresented.
First of all, I think that that's kind of a cop-out, and the bottom line is that if you're only doing research on men, you're ignoring half the population.
An editorial in the British Journal of Sports Medicine says women continue to be excluded from meaningful research because of the complex shift in hormone levels during the menstrual cycle.
Often they are excluded from research because of the variability and people don't know what might happen, and obviously that would affect research and it would mean that more females are needed for a research trial, which adds expense and just time.
The gender disparity has serious repercussions because women react differently from men to drugs. In the U.S., a recent government study revealed that 80% of the drugs withdrawn from the market are due to unexpected side effects on women. For example, both the FDA and Health Canada have issued safety announcements regarding the sleep aid Ambien, recommending the dose be lowered for women because they metabolize the drug at a slower rate than men. The exclusion of women in many drug trials creates an imbalance, says this doctor.
The job of a scientist is to try to find a truth that can be applied to human health. And it's ridiculous to think that you can find the truth by studying only men.
The gender disparity exists even though Canadian researchers are required to say how they're dealing with sex and gender when applying for research grants.
There's a mandatory self-disclosure. At the moment, it is not enforced. There's certainly nobody looking over anyone's shoulder about this. I'm going to be honest with you.
Dr. Tenenbaum says that Health Canada should demand and not just encourage scientists to make sure that both men and women are fairly represented in research. Cass Rusey, CBC News, Toronto.